Sema enyumre yensa ka de se Kumasi Asante Kotoko captain Samba Ndungani Uno enyumre nkreba from Congo and say ne maame aka baabi utufo nyankopon emfa ne kransie Kumasi Asante Kotoko enyumre a confirm news no a eya rehosem pa mia no ama enyumre my basa meti news no my basa Asante Kotoko while ago and I want to say me to screen so no say Kwasa Asante Kotoko announced the sudden death of club captain, the mother of club captain Samba Unel. We send our condolences to Samba Unel Ndungani and may the soul of her mother rest in perfect peace. And Asante Kotoko and you may official confirmation and Kotoko and the Abeton Kotoko after say or announce say and also send the condolence to Samba Unel and any nuanom any ubibia or matter and me Kotoko supporters are motare chene unim Samba number at this moment me just say offer na obinyano but obitima sending a message na ubia share the day Kotoko next game no ye vision minim de bedru na onze wiase de bibia no time heal bibia bedru Sunday na chese wa recover there na chese obeginem abo but koba ne say emotionally mentally untimi monso a Zakaria Fuseni ene ne nuanom Henry Hamzata mo ebeye adwuma no for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nti anwumere news e wo hono no ye nyina no ye wish Samba very well in these difficult times. Nye easy kra ne maame pa utmuse. One na ye bibia Samba fenso na sika pa eba no ona. Nye easy. Unim Samba reach out the busuafo ne namfofo ne nyina. Moma Kotokofo yenye ema ne nyefe na Samba hu se ne maame ko but owo abusua in Kotoko so tufo nyankopon fa maame no kra ensie